Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your email in the Bitget app quickly and securely. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your Bitget app is updated to the latest version. This is important to avoid any issues. Once updated, open the Bitget app. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From here, tap on your profile again to open account settings. Next, go to the Security section. Inside Security, look for the Email option and tap on it. Here you'll see your current email address. To change it, simply enter your new email. After that, you may be asked to verify your identity using an OTP sent to your email or phone. Enter the verification code, confirm the changes, and your email will be updated successfully. And that's it! Your Bitget email is now changed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.